Top 3 kitchen spices that quickly ease joint pain and calm inflammation naturally. Do stiff, aching joints refuse to settle down? Perhaps you're looking for a softer alternative to painkillers, something natural, gentle, and easy to fold into your daily routine. You are in the right place. Did you know that 3 common pantry spices could help you move with less pain and stiffness? Forget expensive supplements for a second. In this video, I'll show you exactly how these spices fight inflammation, how to use them in everyday meals, and the safety tips you need to know. So grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's see how a few simple seasonings can make a real difference for your joints. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share a simple daily routine that pulls all 3 together for lasting relief. We will begin with one that might surprise you. Why inflammation matters. Let's start with the bigger picture. Most chronic joint pain isn't just about age or wear and tear. It's often fueled by low-grade inflammation and oxidative stress. When that's simmering in the background, your joints feel stiffer, recovery feels slower, and movement can be frustrating. The good news? Nature has built-in defenses, and some of the best are already sitting in your kitchen. First up, cloves. These little buds pack a surprising punch. The magic comes from a compound called eugenol. It calms something known as the COX-2 pathway, the same pathway targeted by painkillers like ibuprofen. But instead of just blocking pain, cloves also bring antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. That double action means relief plus long-term support. So, how do you actually use them? One of the easiest ways is clove tea. Just steep 2 or 3 cloves in hot water and sip. You can also grind them into spice blends or add them to soups for depth and warmth. Pro tip: cloves are powerful, so stick with culinary amounts. High-dose oils or extracts can be too strong without guidance. Next is cinnamon. But here's where most people get it wrong. Not all cinnamon is safe for daily use. The cheap, common kind, cassia, contains coumarin, which can strain the liver over time. If you want cinnamon to be part of your daily routine, choose Ceylon cinnamon. Why bother? Because cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which improves circulation and helps balance inflammation. That means joints feel less stiff and blood flow supports healing. It's also warming, which is great if your pain flares in cold weather. Sprinkle it into oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or steep it in tea. These small habits add up. And then there's the unsung hero, black pepper. Everyone has it, but few realize how powerful it is. The key compound, piperine, boosts nutrient absorption. That means when you pair black pepper with anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, you unlock their full potential. Without pepper, most of turmeric's active compounds just pass right through. Think of pepper as the amplifier spice. A pinch on roasted vegetables, a dash on soups, or mixed into golden milk makes your meals work harder for you. And unlike supplements, you don't need a lot, just everyday cooking amounts are enough. Daily routine idea. Here's how it all comes together. Start your morning with clove tea. Midday, add Ceylon cinnamon to your oatmeal or smoothie. And at dinner, finish your meal with a sprinkle of black pepper, especially if turmeric is on the plate. This simple routine keeps inflammation in check from morning to night. Safety essentials. Quick safety notes: always stick to culinary amounts, avoid concentrated oils unless guided by a professional, and choose Ceylon cinnamon for daily use. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medications, check with your doctor before making big changes. Why this matters. Remember, chronic stiffness often comes from hidden inflammation and oxidative stress. Cloves, cinnamon, and black pepper target both, gently and effectively. Instead of masking pain, they help your body reset. Over time, these small kitchen habits can make moving easier, reduce daily discomfort, and help you feel more confident in your body. These 3 staples are natural tools for joint health. Try one of the routines I shared today, and let me know in the comments which one works best for you. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep diving into science-backed natural ways to support your health.